All right, guys, we're at it again. We are on a carpet job. We have 3 areas with the pet treatment, as well as a couch that we're doing for the client. This was a referral, so thank you, Lindsay, for referring us to this job. Yeah, let me show you what we're doing. See everything out there. All right, guys, what we're doing this couch. As you can see, this couch has some soiled areas right here. General cleaning. We're gonna knock that out today for them. We gotta set stuff up. We got the hoses run. We got the steps here. As you can see, they're already pre-treated, and you can see all this is done. And there were some evidence of some pet urine, so we did identify that with a pet UV light, which is right here. And we treated those areas. You can see it's already emulsifying. The soil is already suspending because we did pre-treat it. And it smells so good here. It smells divine. It's called Peachy Peachy. Good stuff. And that's what we're doing. We're getting ready to agitate it with our CRB. And it's going to look good. See you afterwards. We'll supply that now with a pet pro package with these odors and stains. Stay tuned. Hey guys, getting that urine. Treating that pet pro package. Letting that dissolve and emulsify. This is an enzyme digester. In fact, I'll just show you. Some of these areas light up. Look at this here. See that? That's pet urine. What we're going to do, we're going to treat it. Stay tuned. This actually gets all the particulates, air, pet hair that's in the fiber yarns that your vacuum misses. It goes in that chamber right there. This is called a CRB, counter rotating brush. It actually gets the fiber yarns from all sides, lifting up your memory pile and resetting it. Agitating that urine out of the fiber into the subflowing and bring it to the surface. Stay tuned for the extraction, otherwise known as steam cleaning. Stay tuned. To show that dirt coming out, that transparent nozzle there. Look at that, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, it responded very well. The client is super happy. We're about to ready to go in and get a testimonial from her. Gorgeous day out here. I'll grab my info real quick. Man, gorgeous day. It's starting to warm up though. All right, everybody, I did this couch. It responded well. The client loves it. Right, client?
Yes.
And then, of course, I didn't hear. I did tell her because I treated the carpets. It may take a little longer to dry in terms of expediting dry times, but 6 to 24 hours is typically what to expect. This turned out amazing. I'm not gonna walk on it, but you guys can see. It smells and looks great. And that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. See you the next one.